Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you more elegant and more stunning gorgeous videos for related to living room designs ideas. Living room designs ideas were uploaded more attractive, more stunning and fabulous designs. These are so amazing and different gorgeous videos were uploaded for you. Where will bring you innovative ideas for different gorgeous living room designs ideas. We will be focusing on living room decor ideas that will help you transform your space into a stylish and inviting oasis. So let's dive in. Ideas number 1, cozy and comfortable. Create a cozy ambience by incorporating warm colors, plush textures, and comfortable sitting option. Add a large inviting sofa with sofa cushions and complements it with a couple of armchairs and a cozy rug. Enhance the comfort with soft throws and decorative pillows that pops of colors. Modern elegance achieve a sleek and sophisticated look by embracing modern elements. Opt for clean lines, minimalist furniture, and natural tone. Consider adding statement pieces like countertops, coffee tables, are unique light fixtures to create a focal point in the room. Do not forget to pieces are sculptures that reflect your personal styles. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more gorgeous videos. You look so stunning and perfectly ideas, perfectly videos were uploaded. Amazing and fantastic ideas. This is so amazing. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel for different pattern and different types of different decoration designs ideas. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.